want to show you how to apply basic concepts to subnetting. This is very important for security reasons as well as organizing networks. In this example, we are going to pretend we are setting up a network for a coffee shop. And we need to set up 3 different network ID extensions for it. One is going to be for private computers within the business, another one for public computer access, and a third one for wireless clients.
Alright, so let's suppose we're going to be making a subnet. So the first step will be to identify the original network ID. Let's suppose my network ID is 192.168.4.0/24, right? So in our example, we need to create 3 network IDs, one for public computers, one for private computers, and one for the wireless clients. So the first step will be to turn the existing subnet mask into binary. And to do this, we're gonna do it like this. We know we're gonna have 24 ones basically, so 24 ones, and then we're gonna have 8 zeros. Yep. Just keep in mind that a subnet is always gonna be a 32-digit binary long. So on the second step, we're gonna draw a second line 1 digit to the right. The subnet mask is now separated in 3 areas: the default subnet mask, the network ID extension, and the host. So to do that, we're gonna copy this binary again. So this right here is gonna be the default subnet mask. This one right here is gonna be the network extension, and then this right here will be the host. Now we have a /25 subnet mask. On the third step, we need to convert this subnet mask into double decimals. So that's gonna be 25 ones and 7 zeros. Now we need to insert periods in between every 8 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. So now we basically need to convert this into dotted decimals, and for that you can use some online tools like popprint.net. Alright, so here we have popprint.net. And in this website, for example, we find a table of equivalents for netmask conversions. So it contains most common IPv4 netmasks expressed in 4 different formats, right? So in our example, we know that the original host ID was /24, but we moved it to /25, right? And that will give us this subnet mask of 255.255.255.128, okay? And we also have the binary equivalent for that. So the proper decimal will be 255.255.255.128. Okay, so now we have 2 network IDs, right? The original one and then this one. For our example, we need to extend
the network to 3 different network IDs basically, right? So we need to extend the network ID by 2 digits instead of 1 in order to create 4 network IDs. Remember that the formula for determining how many networks you need is 2 to the y power, where y equals the number of bits you add to the subnet mask. Okay, so first we need to grab the original network ID, convert it into binary, and then add 4 different network ID extensions to the end. So to do that, we're gonna do 192.168.0. And then to convert this IP into binary, you can even use some websites like codebeautify.org. The result is gonna be there you go. So now we need to add the 4 different ID extensions. Okay, so again, the binary is gonna be 1 1. Okay. So alright, so adding the 4 different extensions. So we got the original one, and then we got 0 1 0 0 0 0 0, and then 1 0 0 0 0 0 0, then 1 1 0 0. Perfect. Alright, perfect. So now again, if we go into codebeautify.org, we're gonna be able to convert all of this, convert these 4 binaries into IPs, and that's gonna basically become our 4 different network ID extensions.
Another thing I wanted to show you was the codebeautify.org, right? Here we can enter the binary code for any net mask, and that will decode the specific IP for it. So, for example, here we know one of our ID extensions was 01000000, right? and that will give us the IP 192.168.4.64. That's good. Another extension was .00, which was the original one. And yep, here we go, 192.68.4.0. Another one was .1, and there we go, 192.168.4.128. Another one, and the last one was 1, and then 6 zeros basically, and this will give us this last IP, 192.168.4.192.